Storytelling, terrific insights have done my research, more friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Bring home the bacon, reasons why. What does it mean? No, it doesn't mean running through a town carrying breakfast. It means working hard to earn money and supporting yourself, your family, or your goals. Basically, adult life saying good morning, time to be responsible again. One, bills exist everywhere. Reason why people work to handle everyday responsibilities. Two, food is important. Humans become very motivated around mealtime. Reason why work helps provide daily needs like food and groceries. Three, supporting family. Many people work hard to help loved ones. Reason why providing care and support is meaningful. Four, chasing dreams cost money. Starting businesses, hobbies, or projects usually require resources. Reason why income helps people pursue goals. Five, independence feel rewarding. Earning your own money can build confidence and responsibility. Reason why financial independence encourages growth. Six, pets have expensive taste. Your pet acts adorable, then suddenly needs premium food, toys, and emergency sumis. Reason why caring for animals require commitment and resources. Seven, technology keeps updating. Your phone works perfectly until a new version appears online. Reason why people work to afford modern tools and conveniences. 8. Unexpected problems happen. Life occasionally surprises people with repairs or emergencies. Reason why savings and income help manage challenges. 9. Helping others feel good. Some people enjoy supporting comrades. Reason why work can create opportunities to help others. 10. Travel goals. Many people dream about exploring the world. Reason why income help create memorable experiences. 11. Coffee isn't free. For many adults, coffee is practically emotional support. Reason why small comfort can improve daily life. 12. Learning new skills. Courses, trainings often require investment. Reason why continuous learning helps people grow professionally and personally. 13. Celebrating a milestone. Birthday, graduation, achievement matters. Reason why work allows people to create gladness memories. 14. Future planning matters. Many people work hard today to prepare for tomorrow. Reason why planning ahead provides stability and peace of mind. 15. Hard work builds character. Working through challenges can teach patience, discipline, and resilience. Reason why effort and persistence often lead to growth and achievement. So remember, bring home the bacon. It's not just about money, it's about responsibility, goals, helping others, and building a better future.